Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to automate a secure login process in UiPath using credential store in Orchestrator. Okay, so this is an essential for part of any real-time bot, whether it's logging into an internal folder or Gmail or any business application. So let's say we want to automate the login to Acme system. Okay, so we need a password and as well email. Okay, so we should never hardcode our username or any password. Instead, we will fetch it securely from Orchestrator or Windows Credential Manager. Okay, so we are using Orchestrator asset here to store login details. This ensures security and reusability. So I am going to the Orchestrator. Okay, this is the Orchestrator. Just click on asset. We will create one asset for Acme system. Okay, just click on add asset, create a new asset, and the name is I'm typing here Acme system. Okay, so you can see here types. Okay, so earlier there were only four types, but there is one added secret now. Okay, so secret is working as a credential, like credential, but here we cannot store only username and password. We can store our user URL or any sensitive information in the secret. Okay, secret type. So just we need a credential type for store username and password. So I'm just selecting credentials. Okay, so you can see here the username and password. Okay, so I'm just typing my username. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. So it has fetching means automatically. Okay, so it is stored in my laptop, so it got automatic. So just I'm clicking select create. Okay, so see, now we have our asset. Okay, I will take the credential one. Okay, so just click on update, so you can take this description as well. Okay, now, okay, so see, here we are storing the asset name inside the means asset name is inside the orchestrator, right? So just I'm going to the UI part. Okay, and I go to the activity panel and check the get credential activity. Okay, because we are using the get credential activity to fetch the username and password securely. Okay, so get credential. Yeah, before that I will take the sequence. So okay, so sequence is the main sequence. Hmm. Okay, we are using the get credential activity here. Okay, and orchestrator folder path. So it is shared, and the asset name is Acme system. Okay, so now, now, okay, so we need to create output for that username and password, because so we are fetching the username and password from orchestrator, right? So and that password and username inside this credential. Okay, and we have to fetch here, right? So for that we need a variable. Okay, variable of that username and password. I'm just creating control k and username and password. Okay, So now it is username, under username, and password will be in password. Okay, so means the password is stored as secret string. So you can see, just go to the data manager. Yeah, it is password is secure string, so it's stay encrypted. Okay, so now let's use this credential to fill the login form. Okay, so we have uh, type into. Okay, so we are using the type into activity. That is the type into option. Okay, so UiPath has dedicated activity to type secure text, keeping your password safe even during development. So yeah, we can use the UiPath. This is the advantage of UiPath. Okay, so now we do have this link. So I'm just indicating the full link. It is a full selector. Okay, so we have just indicate the full page, right? Now I'm indicating the email text box, email field. Yeah, just click on confirm. Okay, another type into or password. Okay, so we can use the type into for password, but we have secured our password in the orchestrator. So for that, we do have one activity that type secure text. This is the activity. Okay, this is the classic and this is the modern. So we cannot use modern and classic together. We can use, but I will not prefer that. So I'm just taking type into, it's a classic activity. Okay, I'm just indicating the email field and the text is username. Okay, and password. Okay, so yeah, and we do have secret text, that is password. Just call the help password. Okay, now we need to log in. So I'm just taking a click activity, classic click activity. Okay, so just click on indicate and take a login. Okay, so now we have all sorted. Now just I'm saving for the file and running the script. Okay, so we have closed everything, right? So just run the file. Password and the login. Yeah, we did successfully login into the Acme system page. via Orchestrator credentials. Okay, so we check that get credential. Okay, get credential activity. After that, we use browser and application. After that, we used type into and type secure text and then click button. Okay, so yeah, and that's how you do secure login automation in UiPath. Okay, and if you are not using Orchestrator, you can also use a Windows credential manager with the Get Secure Credential activity. Okay, so we will check later. Yeah, now thank you. Thank you.